Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and in this one I'm going to show you how you can use your upgraded screen on your Land Cruiser or Nissan Patrol. They all operate pretty much the same. So these are some of the basic functions that you would need to know in order on how to use the system. First off, radio is radio, and this is set to AM. To go between AM and FM, you just click on the band here. Takes you to FM, click on the band again. Takes you to the second set of FM and you click on the band again. Takes you into your AM. You can go home by clicking on this circle on the top left here. The square here denotes your recently used app, so anything that's been opened recently will come up there. Next one on here, you've got your Navi. Now this Navi is connected to the map button here. Now all of this only works if you've got a SIM card in or if you're hotspotting to your system. Or as I say, if you don't want to use your data or your hotspot or anything like that, so you can just go into CarPlay and you can use the maps in here. So you can use Google Maps, Apple Maps, Waze, whatever you've got on your phone will be mirrored on here. Now this section right here is your full Apple CarPlay or Android Auto if you're using an Android phone. Now this will give you all the functions like your Spotify, YouTube Music, Maps, TomTom Go, anything you like, your text, call history, everything like that. To get out of here, you can press the home here on this situation. Otherwise, you can just scroll down, click that circle, that's out of there. Okay, next one, the music and the video. These two are the music and the video that's controlled by a USB. So if you plug something into the USB that was routed or mounted with the installation of your system, that will come up on here. Next one across is going into different air conditioning. So on this car, it's controlled with the touchscreen. Some of the cars you'll be using the original climate control, so you don't have to worry about that, or you have digital physical button. You can go out of here. Next one, this car has been fitted with a 360 camera, so you can click on 360 camera, change between all the different views. You can see right there, front, back, rear, side view, curve view. Click on that, changes to high view. So when you're parking, it's quite easy. Go back out of that. Now you have access to Play Store on this one because if you've got a SIM card in, so you don't have to hotspot. Otherwise, you can hotspot and play YouTube and all the other stuff. Now changing the car settings, you go into this green little car settings, click on that one, and it will have your original, all the original Toyota settings that you had on the original head unit, or Nissan settings if you had the Patrol version. DSP right here is how you can adjust different zones and all your equalizers and all the other stuff. Then you've got Facebook and other stuff, you can log into that. Now the general unit settings, you go in here, the first one is network. This is where you can go and connect to Wi-Fi. If you're hotspotting off your phone, you turn the system into flight mode if you don't want it to connect to anything. And you've got your display, so you got your display brightness, your wallpaper, font size, different themes available here. Then you go into sound settings. This is your all the sound controls. Go into general, so navigation bar is what you've got up there on top. You can have another one, separate one on the left or the right if you prefer for it to be like that. Panel light setting means going into dark mode and light mode, all of that. This is connected to your headlight. Navigation application setting is what is used with this map button here, so you can assign different apps to go with that. And pretty much in this car, that is everything you'll be using. You can have your car battery and your phone battery being displayed. The video output is when you're connecting the rear screen, you can select that and change the resolution if you have to. In some of the apps, you would have to do that. Going to original, this is what the original car information will be showing up, such as your temperature, air conditioning display, door display, radar, all of that is pretty normal. 360, so this is your reverse camera setting. Now when you go into reversing volume, this is how much volume you will have when the car is in reverse, so you can change it. So we've set it to around 70% of the volume. Voice control, we've set it to connect to the Google Assistant here. Personal is adding your account and all of the other stuff like that. Go into system, and this will have all the information about the system. Factory settings, you don't need to worry about that. We set it all up for you. Now, in case if you have any other questions in regards to this system or anything along these lines, give us a text on 0475 469 577 and we can help you with the system.